In early March 2026, a new reality of warfare arrived, fundamentally altering the initial moments of conflict. For the first time in history, U.S. ground forces possessed the ability to strike deep within hostile territory, precise, tense, controlled, and clear, never slow or sleepy. Read like an operations room briefing is unfolding in real time, with sober emphasis on decisions, logistics, terrain, and consequences. Deep within hostile territory, precisely targeting high-value assets before any friendly aircraft had even achieved air superiority. This marked the combat debut of the Precision Strike Missile, or PrSM, a weapon system that irrevocably changed the opening moves of a modern conflict. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the PrSM is a sophisticated ground-based, long-range weapon engineered to succeed and replace the U.S. Army's aging tactical missile system, commonly known as ATACMS. The PrSM is fired from the same robust and battle-proven artillery platforms that have served the Army well: the M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or HIMARS, and the M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System. However, the PrSM boasts a critical and game-changing advantage: an operational range that significantly exceeds 499 kilometers, offering unprecedented reach. This remarkable capability had been the culmination of years of dedicated development and rigorous testing. The U.S. Army had officially received its first batch of PrSMs for early operational capability in December 2023, a milestone achieved following a series of highly successful production qualification tests that validated the system's readiness. Yet, the transition from theoretical design and controlled testing environments to the chaotic and unforgiving crucible of actual combat represents the final, ultimate examination for any weapon system. The very first unit to wield this transformative new capability in a real-world war scenario was the 3rd Battalion of the 27th Field Artillery Regiment. This HIMARS unit, stationed at Fort Bragg, North Carolina, was deployed to a challenging desert environment with a clear and critical mission: to strike a diverse array of high-value Iranian targets. The designated target list was both extensive and strategically vital, encompassing critical infrastructure such as enemy air defense systems, sophisticated command and communication networks, hardened command centers, missile and drone launch sites, and key facilities belonging to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The scope of the strikes extended further, hitting airfields and even Iranian naval vessels, with one credible source indicating that a submarine was among the specific targets successfully engaged. The employment of the PrSM during the conflict's nascent stages signified a profound and strategic operational shift. It endowed ground commanders with an organic precision fires capability, allowing them to actively shape the battlefield from hundreds of kilometers away. This dramatically reduced the immediate and often risky reliance on air and naval platforms, which might be otherwise engaged in other critical theaters or facing their own contested environments. On February 28, 2026, U.S. Central Command, widely known as CENTCOM, officially confirmed the missile's groundbreaking use in combat. A subsequent social media post emphatically highlighted the PrSM's unrivaled deep strike capability and was accompanied by compelling video footage clearly showing a PrSM launch from a HIMARS platform. The message conveyed by this announcement was unambiguous and powerful. The PrM was not merely an incremental improvement over existing systems. It represented a fundamentally new class of weapon that granted the U.S. Army direct access to targets that had previously been the exclusive domain of the Air Force or Navy. This new system empowers ground forces to proactively create their own critical windows of opportunity, effectively degrading an adversary's ability to perceive, communicate, and wage war, all while operating from a mobile, inherently difficult-to-target launcher. The successful combat debut of the precision strike missile unequivocally confirmed the emergence of a new military doctrine. Long-range, ground-based precision fires are no longer a theoretical concept for the future. They are an immediate and potent battlefield reality. This development fundamentally alters the strategic calculus for military commanders on all sides and compels adversaries to seriously reconsider the perceived safety and security of their rear areas from the very first hour of any potential conflict.